how to grow a cooking channel on YouTube. If you are asking questions, how to get more viewers or even how to get more subscribers, you are at the right place. My name is Marcus Stone and today I will guide you into this presentation on how to get more traction. So let's go. The one thing you need to understand while doing cooking videos, the speed is better than perfection. Plenty of people when they start, they overanalyze stuff. They make it, they want it to be just really perfect, but don't focus on that. Because YouTube is many times a speed game. Yes, it's a quality game, but you need to focus on uploading videos. And why is that? Because cooking channels are evergreen content. Your video can be watched also 3-4 years later. It can provide value 3-4 years later. And if you create videos, a lot of them, they will get a lot of traction. But of course, they need to be good. One thing I always recommend to everyone that the video and audio for a cooking channel needs to be great. It needs to be super sick, mainly audio, and people will be hearing what you're doing, because many times people are going to play your video while they cook and they will listen to you. So they will be cooking and they will be hearing the audio from video. Okay, I'm going to have to do this and then I'm going to do this. Of course, make videos about the food you love. This is also important. And find your own style, find your own mojo, the something, your energy. Don't copy anyone. This is really important. Don't try to, oh my God, this guy is cool, he's making videos, I'm going to be like him. No, you need to be yourself. Let's move on. Good thumbnail is really important. As you can see, when I wrote easy food into YouTube search, you see it right here. Look at those thumbnails. Easy, and by just seeing thumbnail, you need to create a feeling of desire to the person. He needs to be like, oh my God, I want to eat that. And he's going to click on it. Because like, this hamburger looks tasty. Like, oh my God. And I would click on it. So also this is really great thumbnail, really ready in 5 minutes. The colors, as you can see, this is the red color with white color. It's really good combined. And people are going to click on it. That's why it's on a search. So again, good thumbnail. Make a good photos of a food you make or cocktails or whatever you want to make. Now, analyze your competition. Okay, write down in Excel, who is your competition? How many videos they upload? What kind of content they make? I mean, you can, let's say that you want to bake or you want to be a cocktail, cocktail channel in which you would be doing cocktails. Write them out. See how long their videos are. Because what I want to show you and explain to you, if your competition is making 10-15 minutes videos, you need to do that also. Because if you're gonna make 3-minute video, YouTube is not going to recommend your content, because your watch time will be really small comparing to other channels. Because if they have 15-minute video and their watch time is 8 minutes and you will have 3-minute video and your watch time is, let's say, 3 minutes, what will happen that YouTube will recommend the competition channel. It's really simple. It works like that. So again, analyze what they're using, how they edit their videos, and in what way you can inspire from them. That's important. 3 things that matter the most. Watch time, as I mentioned, the higher the watch time, people will recommend you. I see many times small channels, I would say, crying about that YouTube is not recommending their channel. Like, it's not true. You just don't have high watch time. The second thing you need is a high CTR, click-through rate. What does that mean? It means that when they see a thumbnail like that, and let's say this thumbnail is yours. Okay, how often when a person sees 4 thumbnails, he's going to click on a second one, on yours, if this would be you. If more people will click on your thumbnail, it would go on the first position. Because YouTube wants to deliver videos fast. So that's the CTR, and if a person who watches your video stays on YouTube or not. If you can convince a viewer to jump from finishing your video and then go for another one and another one on your channel, oh my god, you will be so rich. I'm telling you right now. As just someone who manages YouTube channels, that's how it works. Marketing for cooking channels is really easy, because what you need to focus is to find Facebook groups in which are a lot of women, like cooking fans, the master chef, etc. Find forums about cooking where they share the cooking tips, where they share the recipes, and you can comment your video there. And also find subreddits about cooking on Reddit. And also you can find like eat cheap and healthy, eat healthy, eat cheap, and you can share a video there. You can try that. That could work. What videos to create? What I would do if I would be you, and if I would like cooking, I would focusing on the trends, Halloween food, what to bake on Christmas, best cocktails for summer. You get the idea, because people are going to search for it. And if you're gonna make a long video where you just show like 5, I don't know, cocktails you can do, or really good something to bake on Christmas or Halloween, people are going to watch it, and you will get traction. And another thing is be patient and work hard. It will take time, but you need to enjoy it. If you enjoy what you do, if you enjoy the grind, the creating videos, you will always win, because you are doing something more than 99% of people in the world who are afraid of doing something. Thank you very much, everybody. Hope you are going to have a great day, and don't forget to smile.